Alright guys, I don't know how well you can hear me, but we're going to do a little unboxing of Mr. Bandit's new friend. So, since I don't trust him with a knife, I'll be doing this myself. So, take it down a little, bud. Does anybody have a guess as to what his little friend will be? I'm sure my closest friends probably have a fairly good idea, knowing me so well as they do. There's probably more than just his little buddy in here, so that's why I'm opening it this particular way. Oh, well, he's not even in a box, so alright. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. Alright guys. Mr. Bandit is officially meeting his new partner in crime. He's so cool. Oh my god. I love him. He's so cool. Apparently he's lots of trouble. He's flaming at the mouth already. So yeah, that's Penny Bandit's new partner in crime. This should be fun. Unboxing number 2. There was an extra surprise in the box. As a lot of you know, Mom's going on a cruise this October, and I don't know what it inspired her most, is my rubber duck or the fact that a lot of people have been leaving little rubber ducks everywhere or promoting things with little rubber ducks. A lot of the cruise ships now have it to where you can leave little rubber duckies around. So I will show you. They came in mail. They are so adorable. So cute. They're so cute. Like, oh my gosh. And there's like a whole bag of them. And they come with these really adorable little tags. So she can put like what cruise ship she's on, the date, you know, like all this stuff. And it's got its own little passport. And each duckie's numbered. So like this little guy is 000. So yeah, you can attach them with the rubber bands and leave them around the ship for people to find. So they're so cute.